Daddy.
What do you want to do? Running, you mean? Trotting?
Yeah, trotting.
You want the pony to go really fast? Do you?
Yeah.
That'll be our turn to do trotting in a minute, won't it?
We are not taking our turn.
We will in a minute.
Yeah. And you got to do that, and I'll drop it all by myself again.
You're going to stop the pony all by yourself again? Okay, you show me what you can do that. Okay, stop the horse then. Pull the reins right up to your tummy. Good girl, you did it all on your own. Did you just stop the horse, eh? Are you clever? And good at horse riding? Good girl. Squeeze your legs and he'll move. Squeeze your legs. Good girl. Good girl, Hannah. You are great at this, aren't you? Are you a horse rider?
Yeah.
Yeah.
These are nice helmets.
They are nice helmets.
Yeah. That one's going to be. Bye.
Yeah, you're going to do that in a minute.
Yeah.